The Sonoma Valley Treatment Plant first began operations in 1954 when it was operated by the County of Sonoma. In 1995, control of the treatment plant and sanitation district was transferred to the Sonoma County Water Agency, which has devoted millions of dollars to the district since that time. Currently, the treatment plant has a wet weather capacity of 16 million gallons per day and provides tertiary level treatment. Annually, the treatment facility produces on average 4,500 acre-feet of recycled water, of which 1,200 to 1,400 acre-feet is dedicated to agricultural irrigation, while another 1,700 acre-feet is pledged to the restoration of nearby salt ponds. The treatment plant has an average annual power demand of 1 megawatt. Most of this demand is offset by a system of solar panels installed in 2008 and 2009, which produce about 0.9 megawatts. In pursuit of securing a net carbon-free power supply, the district plans to add an additional 0.1 megawatts to the solar array to upgrade it to a full megawatt of power by 2015. To the south of the district's storage reservoirs lay the management units, a wetlands restoration area that annually receives 100 acre-feet of recycled water from the district. The district currently has over 600 acre-feet of reservoir storage for recycled water to go along with an additional 600 acre-feet of storage with the user's irrigation reservoirs. The 1,200 to 1,400 acre-feet of recycled water devoted to agricultural use is divided between a dairy pasture, which receives 200 acre-feet, and vineyard irrigation that receives the rest. In 2004, the district was one of the original members of the North Bay Water Reuse Program. The program promotes the beneficial use of recycled water and water conservation throughout the region. In 2013, the district added 3.5 miles of 18-inch pipeline that will deliver up to 1,700 acre-feet of recycled water to the salt ponds, as well as additional agricultural users along the route. Supplying agriculture with recycled water will help to reduce a stressed aquifer and offset surface water diversions, leaving flows in the rivers and streams for wildlife. The final destination of this pipeline is a mixing chamber known colloquially as the Donut and operated by the California Department of Fish and Wildlife. At the Donut, water from the pipeline is blended with diverted Napa River water to dilute bittern, the waste product of the salt production process. From 1950 to 1992, Cargill Salts used these salt ponds for the production of industrial salts. It is currently estimated that to restore the salt ponds to a natural state will take 8 to 12 years. As a member of the North Bay Water Reuse Program, the district received U.S. Bureau of Reclamation funding to construct 1 mile of 14-inch pipeline and R5, a 100-acre-foot holding reservoir. These facilities will allow the district to expand the range of recycled water use to the north, east, and west in the future. R5 will provide recycled water to nearby vineyards for irrigation and offset urban water use for landscape irrigation, starting with the local schools. Many of the district's recycled water goals north of the treatment plant have been established based on recommendations from the Sonoma Valley Groundwater Management Plan. The Groundwater Management Plan was developed through an existing stakeholder group consisting of groundwater users including agricultural, dairy, residential, economic interests, local government, water providers, and environmental and community organizations. The San Francisco Bay Regional Water Quality Control Board was also heavily involved in the Groundwater Management Plan's development. The district is committed to partnering with the Sonoma Valley Groundwater Management Plan in managing the groundwater resources in the region. Some of the primary goals of the Groundwater Management Plan are to offset agricultural groundwater pumping, thereby reducing saline intrusion into the valley. The district's salt and nutrient management plan will also be used to help assist the stakeholder group in their future planning. In conclusion, the district is continuing to add recycled water users as well as participate in the continued development of the groundwater management plan. The district will carry on its goals of finding opportunities to beneficially use recycled water, especially up the valley, and pursue additional ways to be sustainable into the future.